Hello, Weber's class.
Hello.
Today we're going to do 7.1, read and write expressions and equations. Can you read and write expressions and equations?
Yes.
All right, here we go. An expression, okay, I'm just going to read this one. It's a combination of numbers and or variables that contain one or more operations, and these are our basic operations right here. And an expression does have an expression does not have an equal sign. So I have some examples of expressions down here for A and B. You can see there's no equal sign. An equation is almost the exact same thing as an expression, except for it actually has a
Equal sign.
and you can notice we have an equation right here as an equal sign. When you have an equation, you have two sides to it. You have the left side and the right side, right?
Yes.
In order for the equation to work or be true, the equation must be what?
Balance.
It must be balanced. It must be the same, right?
Yes.
Is everyone's eyes up on the screen?
Yes.
I don't see them all up there. I need you all up there. Okay? Quickly, a variable is a letter that represents,
Number.
can it be like a whole bunch of different numbers? It just kind of depends on what you're being told or how you solve, right?
Yes.
Sum, answer to a,
Addition problem.
everybody, answer to a,
Addition problem.
difference, answer to a,
Subtraction problem.
product, answer to a,
Multiplication problem.
quotient, answer to a,
Division problem.
integer would be a whole number and its.
Opposite.
All right, so how did I know, someone, well, actually not someone, all of you, what keyword told us that 6 feet below the surface was -6? What was the keyword there?
Below.
Below means like under, right? Negative means under, yes? How did we know that this one was 6? What's the keyword?
Above.
How did we know this one was 29,000?
Elevation.
Elevation means height, right? How tall something is. How do we know this one was -1?
Descending.
Descending means down. Good. Now, expressions are pretty similar. We have to pay attention to these keywords here, right?
Yes.
6, what's more than mean?
Addition.
It means addition, right? So 6 more than x. 14 taken from x. Oh, we got to be careful here, don't we?
Yes.
We're actually taking 14 from x. So what should I put first, the 14 or the x? The x to show that we're taking 14 from it, right?
Yes.
Okay. More keywords here. Oh, question. If you have a number like 19 and a variable like m and they're right next to each other with nothing separating them, what does that mean to do?
Multiply.
If you have a number like 19 and it's separated by the letter m or even a number with parentheses, what also does that mean to do?
Multiply.
Everybody, what?
Multiply.
Equations. Equations always have what in them?
Equal sign.
And we always can tell it's an equation if you're giving like words, because what word means equal?
Is.
Say again?
Is.
Is means,
Equal.
is means,
Equal.
and then here we go. Sometimes you're going to have to reverse it. Sometimes they're going to actually make you write the words from expressions or equations, right?
Yes.
So you have to like use your own words to write that expression or that equation. We cool?
Yes.